If you want to learn the shake change in the exact same way how Shin Lim does, then this is the tutorial you're looking for. So hey everybody, I'm Sholazari. You're watching Making Impossible. Let's start our today's video. Okay guys, as you can see over here, I have this deck of cards, and from that deck I'm just going to take one random card from the top, and in this case it's the 9 of spades. I'm just going to take this card and I'm going to shake it right in front of your eyes, and it's going to change into a different card, the ace of spades. So that's what the trick looks like, that's what the change looks like. Let's see how you can do this color change. Okay guys, this is how this trick is done. Now I'm not going to go with very long tutorial. This is a very easy one. This is actually a shake change or the twirl change. So if you don't know what a shake change or a twirl change is, you take one card, you turn it over, then you take two cards back to back, and while shaking the cards together, you turn the cards over and it looks like that the card has changed into a different one. But the original one is a little difficult to do, and it's not difficult to do, it's actually very easy to do, but it is not that visual because the card actually shifts from this position to this position, which is very much visible to eye. And for that reason I already have a variation in which I have shown you how to hide this thing, and if you want to learn that variation, the link will be given in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you check that out if you want to learn that one. And the other variation that I'm going to teach you today is the variation that is done by Shin Lim. Now in this variation, the twisting of the card, that is this one, the twisting of the card is almost invisible because of the angle and the motion of the hands. So for this trick, for this change, for this variation, all you need to remember is the grip, the speed in which you're going to do the change, and the motion of your hand, the way that you're going to shake your hand or the card, or the hand and the card together in order to do the change. So at first, the grip. So all you're going to do is you're going to take one card and you're going to turn it over, and then you're going to take a break under the top two cards, so that while you can lift this card, you can lift two cards as one, but you're going to lift it in a different way. So here is an example. I am right-handed. I'm going to do the change with my right hand, so I'm going to hold the deck of cards with my left hand, and that's why what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over here, this corner which is closer to the left side of my body. I'm going to go reach this corner with my right hand thumb, and I'm going to reach the opposite diagonal corner with my ring finger of my right hand. So that's how I'm going to just pick these cards, these two cards together as one. So that's the first thing that you need to know, the grip. So if you are right-handed, then this is the best grip for you. If you are left-handed, just mirror my video because that will be the best grip for you. So all you need to do is you need to take the cards together just like that, and then while you're going to turn this card the face towards the spectator, all you need to do is you're going to hold these cards just like that, and you're going to use your thumb, this thumb, to turn this card just like that. Now what comes is the hand movement and the motion. So the speed and the motion of your hand. So the speed will be constant even while doing the change, and the motion of your hand will be not shaking, rather than that it will be twisting. Okay, so you're going to be twisting your hand, and along with that you're going to give it a little bit of shake. So this will be the maximum movement of your hand, and it will be in a speed somewhat like this. So at this point, if I shake the card just like that, you can see it looks like that the card is moving haphazardly just like that, because since I'm twisting the card, it looks like that the card is moving haphazardly. And because of this twist, if I turn the card over and keep twisting, because of that, this movement, this turning over is invisible. And if you do this turning over while twisting your hand, and if you do it with this constant speed, and if you twist this card, I did it slow right now, yeah, because I'm not used to this, but if you do this very smoothly just like I did in the performance, then you're going to do it as good as Shin Lim, as great as Shin Lim. as he does. So let me try once more time. This is what the grip will be. You're going to shake your hand just like that, and you're going to do it in a speed, and while doing that you're going to use your index finger to twist the card just like that, and then you're going to reach out these two fingers. So one more time, what you're going to do is you're going to have this card in this grip, you're going to take it just like that, then your two fingers will be here, the index finger and the middle finger, and the pinky will be here. The pinky has no function, so while you're shaking the card you're going to use your index finger to twist the card, and after twisting the card bring your index finger back to this position. So that will cause a very big illusion that you are holding the card previously just like that. So if you can do it very fluently just as I did in the performance, then it will look somewhat like this. Now of course I again did it slow because, as I told you, I'm not used to it, but yes, with practice you can get a better result, somewhat like this. So the hand speed will be constant even while you're twisting the card, so that it looks seamless, and that's how you can achieve this change just like that. So after doing the change, how you're going to rest this hand is, how you're going to make this card free of the second card. That is, after doing this change, all you need to do is you need to take this card, you're going to pull this card with your index finger towards the other hand. You're going to take these two cards, you're going to drop it over it, and then you're going to take the single card just like that and turn it over. So that's how the change also finishes. So that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Sholazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel. Please, if it is have a channel, I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack Monday episodes. Peace.